Hello to my crafty creators. Today I will be making some shot glasses. You see, this is one I made. Really nice. I am making it from Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. And the color that I'm using first is the Let's Resin Red. Make sure you shake it up really good. I used a ½ ounce of epoxy. So I'm going to go ahead and start to pour. I'm just going to kind of grab it right here so I don't make a mess. I've been letting it sit for a few minutes only to make sure the bubbles were out. And so everything is a go. Okay. I was saying that maybe you needed to use like a deep cast resin with less bubbles, but I have been doing I've done a couple of tries, and the Stone Coat is pretty good. I don't have any complaints out of it using it. You just have to pour steady and make sure that you don't leak it everywhere, because especially on this one, I'm doing the rainbow colors, so I want to make sure that no other color bleeds into the other one. Okay, so simple and fast. I'm doing pretty good, y'all. Normally I'll make a mess, but not today. I'm on it. I'm trying to get better, y'all. If I get better a little bit faster, speak a little bit faster, speed up the camera a little bit, because sometimes people don't want to hear you talk and chat about this and that and the other. So this is why I'm trying to get better, so that maybe I can keep people engaged, into the video, and make sure that they learn something while they're engaging. So that was the first part. Okay, very simple, very quick, and I didn't spill anything. You can see that it's in there nicely. Okay, she only wanted 4, so I've only done 4. Okay, now we're going to start with the next layer, which is the orange. And remember, it was by Let's Resin. And I had these sitting for a moment. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick little stir. And I had this sitting about 10 minutes maybe. And we're going in with the next one. So now you won't be able to pull it so much because it's getting higher. And this time I used 7.5 milliliters. that I didn't wait too soon to do this last one, because see, it's a little gelled, but I'm hoping that I just didn't wait. I mean, I probably should have waited a little while longer, but you guys, I was so ready to get done with these glasses right here. Oh, it was like, okay, let's hurry up, let's get it. I think these are gonna be very pretty, y'all. I just hope I didn't mess anything up by going ahead and getting it poured in. So the last little bit, and then once this is done, then I'm done to showing you the finishing results.